Are you still wasting time in plastic with polystrapping? Rolling it out, trying to thread it through a pallet, cutting off the ends and tensioning it with an expensive tool, load after load? Meet the Batten Strap, Bearhug's reusable alternative to plastic strapping for long goods. Polystrapping was never built to last. It twists, splits, and ends up in the bin after just one use. The tools are bulky, the rolls are wasteful, and every strap you cut off is money and material you'll never get back. The Batten Strap changes all of that. Thread through the tines, pull tight through the buckles, and you're done. No cutting, no single-use waste, no tensioning tools. Just a durable strap that lasts for years and pays itself off every trip. Stop wasting time, stop wasting plastic. Wrap it right. Find out more at bearhug.au.